Good morning, children. In the previous session, we learnt measuring angle and drawing angle, construction of angle using protractor. So before we move to exercise 5.3, just let us learn some of the types of the angle. We have three types of angles over here. So first one is acute angle. Acute angle. Second one is right angle. Third one is obtuse angle. Straight angle. And we have reflex angle also that we will learn in coming classes like 5th and 6th. So first we will learn these four types of angles. Consider this as a circle. So from this point to here, you AB, think it as zero line. Zero. We call this as a zero angle. So from this angle, from this ray, one more angle is formed. So it is angle in between this, and here one more line is there. Here angle forms 90 degree. So see the protractor. When you place the protractor over here, it is 90 degree, and here it is 180 degree measure. So when this angle is 180 degree from here to here, and this angle is 180 degree. So total a circular angle is 360 degree. So later on in class 5th, 6th, you are going to learn all these things in detail. So first thing, acute angle. What is the acute angle? The angle lies in between 0 to 90 degree. So this portion, the angle measuring less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. So like angle 10, 20, 30, 40, all the angles are called till 90. 90 is not included. Till the angles in between 0 and 90 degree are called 0 to 90 degree are called acute angles. So an angle measuring exactly 90 degree is called right angle. So this angle is exactly measuring 90 degree is called right angle. Any angle like this, if it measures 90 degree, it is a right angle. You can draw like this also. So this angle measures 90 degree. So 0 to 90 degree. So exactly the angle which measures 90 degree is a right angle. And the angle which is in between 180 to 90 degree. So this is a obtuse angle. What we call obtuse angle. So it will be greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So all these angles are called obtuse angles. It may be 110, 120, 130. All the angles in between 90 to 180 are obtuse angle. The angle measuring exactly 180 degrees, straight angle. So this angle is straight angle. If you draw any line and measure like this, it is a straight angle. Fine. You draw any line. So from here to here, it measures always it measures 180 degree. The angle measuring 180 degrees is a straight angle or a linear angle. So these are the four types of angles that we learn. Now let us move to exercise part. Exercise 5.3. Name each of these angles in three different ways. How you are going to name these angles? Angle PQR, angle SQR, and angle RQS, or else RQP. Like that you can measure the angle. Here LMK, LMN, so NML. Like that also you can name the angles in 3 different ways. However you name this central angle, central alphabet should come in between. Fine. Measure these angles and name the type. So how to measure? I have shown. Just place the angle, place the protractor. So start counting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here is your line. So this is a 50-degree measure. Angle ABC is 50 degree. ABC is 50 degree. If it is a 50 degree, what we call it as? We call it as acute angle, 0 to 90 degree. The angle lies in between 0 to 90 degree. It is a acute angle. So we will measure this angle. Place exactly on the baseline and measure it. So 0, 10. So baseline is here. So from here only we will start counting 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So here is our line. So it is 130 degree. So angle measuring 130 degree is angle DEF is 130 degree. It is an obtuse angle. We call it as a obtuse angle. So as we have seen, so angle measuring greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree is acute angle. So last one we'll see. Place this protractor and it exactly overlaps here. It is a 90 degree angle. So 90 degree angle. Angle JKL is 90 degree. It is a right angle. So like this we are going to measure. So already I have constructed a triangle ABC 30 degree in a previous class. All the angles are measured. It is a practical thing and you have to solve by yourself. Last one will be a homework. Measure the sides. Use a scale and measure the sides of the saline sides. And here you write the measure and using protractor you measure the angle and write each angle. You place like this and measure and you place like this. See, whenever you are measuring you have to from baseline you should start counting from 0. Okay, here completes exercise 5.3 and also lesson number 5. So this lesson is included in your second semester. So in the same book only you have to continue to write the second semester notes. Thank you, children.